Imagine if humans could regrow limbs, like how Kurt Connors in Spider-Man injected himself with lizard DNA to regrow his arm, though it came with monstrous side effects. While this sounds like science fiction, the ability to regenerate body parts is a reality for many animals. Take salamanders and newts, for example. If they lose a limb, they don't end up with a permanent stump. Instead, they regrow it, complete with bones, muscles, and skin. In contrast, humans form scar tissue, and that's the end of the story. The mystery of regeneration has fascinated scientists for centuries. The first discovery of these powers dates back to 1740, when Abraham Tremblay found that a tiny pond creature, now called hydra, could regrow its tentacle-covered head. Since then, we've found other regenerative masters. Lizards regrow tails, starfish rebuild arms, and some flatworms can regenerate their entire bodies from a single cell. But why can't we, as humans, do the same? Scientists are trying to crack the code, but progress has been slow. Animals that regenerate, like salamanders, are tough to study in labs. They have massive, complex genomes, 10 times larger than ours, and take months to regrow even small limbs. Yet their process offers clues. After a salamander loses a limb, the wound forms a special layer called the wound epidermis, which sends signals to nearby cells. Instead of forming scars, these cells revert to a flexible state called a blastema. This mass of cells knows exactly what to regrow, whether it's a finger or an entire leg. But how these cells know their location and function is still a mystery. Humans, on the other hand, heal quickly and dirtily. Scar tissue protects us but doesn't allow regeneration. Some scientists think this is a trade-off to avoid cancer. Others point to our high metabolism, which doesn't leave time for the slow regeneration process seen in cold-blooded creatures. Interestingly, not all mammals fail the regeneration test. African spiny mice, for example, can regrow skin and even parts of their ears. This gives hope that humans might one day unlock similar abilities, though probably not through an injection like in Spider-Man. Regenerating a human limb could take decades, but the science isn't just about sprouting arms. Understanding how animals avoid scars could revolutionize wound healing, preventing diseases like heart fibrosis. Ultimately, the study of regeneration goes beyond limb growing. It's about understanding how cells organize and heal. Even if we can't regrow limbs tomorrow, this research holds the key to healing injuries and diseases more effectively. So, will we ever regenerate like salamanders? Maybe not yet, but every step forward brings us closer to unlocking the secrets of nature's greatest healers.